Hello everyone, you are watching the Genius Expert. After watching this short video, you will be able to perform a task through the pivot table. In Microsoft Excel, pivot table is one of the best commands which is used to summarize the data and perform a huge time taking activity in a few seconds. So let's go to the video. First of all, open your Excel program that can either be Office 2007 or 2010 or 2016. Indeed, this activity is similar in all of them, but I'm gonna use 2016 version of Microsoft Excel in this case. This is our Microsoft Excel 2016. Here we have more than 5,000 records, and let's suppose we want to know that how much amount we have received in each and every date. So it is much more difficult to perform this activity in a journal calculation. Therefore, we are going to apply the pivot table to perform this activity in a few seconds. So first, you have to select the first cell of the entire table, which is received date in my case, and then go to the insert menu, click on the pivot table. Here we can see the pop-up menu of the pivot table. As we click on the pivot table, it has select all the table automatically. Then we have to choose where you want to place the report of the pivot table. So you have two options, that either you want to place the report in a new worksheet or existing worksheet, but I will select the existing worksheet here and show the location to the report and click on the OK button here. Now check the two boxes appeared at the left side of the screen to show the final result. Here, receive date and amount. Here we go. This is our final output result of the pivot table, which shows the subtotal amount against each date. For more informative videos like this, please subscribe to our channel, The Genius Expert, and keep in touch with us. Thank you.